How to cancel membership in Netflix on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your membership on Netflix using your mobile phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Netflix app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside there, you can just tap on account and this will open your account settings page in your mobile browser. Now here, you can simply scroll down to the membership and billing section, and there you can just tap on cancel membership. So there you can just tap on finish cancellation to confirm, and after that your membership will be cancelled, but you can still use Netflix until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.